welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to prepare for you guys Jamaican one-pot seasoned rice with ackee and saltfish. So please stick around and watch this video. I'm going to do the seasoned rice my way. If you want to go ahead and add anything else, you can feel free to add anything else. But I'm gonna use pumpkin and carrot. I have some freshly cut pumpkin. I take off the bottom of the pumpkin. If you like to keep your pumpkin's bottom on, you can go ahead and use the pumpkin bottom. Use it with the pumpkin bottom. I'm gonna use a half of onion, nicely chopped. Green bell pepper. We call them sweet pepper. And we're gonna use some ackee. This is canned ackee. I'm using green onion, 2 garlic, and I'm using a green pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm using some fresh thyme. Everything here is fresh. And I'm using coconut milk. I'm using this coconut milk. Use whatever coconut milk you want. Use grated coconut milk and juice it if you want to do that, if you got that. And I'm also going to use some pure cream coconut. This. And of course we got the rice and we got the saltfish. First I'm going to start by boiling the saltfish. And I have 3 sizes of saltfish. This is about ½ pound. This is the saltfish I'm using, the one with the scale. And I'm going to just boil this to reduce some of the salt inside. Because hence the name, it's called saltfish. So you want to get some of the salt out, as it's gonna be so salty when it's finished cooking. While the saltfish is boiling, our codfish, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the pumpkins and the carrot. And I'm adding all this coconut milk. And I'm gonna turn the heat on. Just gonna turn the heat on for the pumpkin and the carrots to boil. I'm just gonna add the carrot and the pumpkin. I'm gonna add some pimento. I'm gonna add this amount of pimento. I'm gonna add fresh thyme. I'm just gonna add everything at once. I'm gonna add the onion. Bell pepper, green sweet pepper, and I'm gonna add the coconut cream. This part is totally optional. You can just use the coconut milk, and if you don't have any coconut milk, you can use water. But using the coconut milk, it gives you a lot of flavor, and I love to use this coconut cream. Man, I'm telling you, if you're not using this, you're missing out. Just go ahead and find this coconut cream. It's very good. And I'm gonna add some water. I'm not gonna add any salt because I'm already using saltfish or codfish, so I'm not using any salt. And I'm just gonna leave this to boil until the pumpkin and the carrot is tender. That the pumpkin is boiled, look at this, and the carrot are tender and nice. Look at this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of garlic powder just to give it some flavor. I'm gonna add this complete seasoning because I'm gonna season it up. I'm gonna add a tablespoon also. And I'm gonna mix it up. Smelling so nice. Look at this color. Oh my god, the flavor is so aromatic. Also aromatic. Look at this. Beautiful. And beautiful color. So remember the saltfish that we were boiling? Now it's finished boiling. I rinsed them off in some fresh pipe water, and then I remove the scale and remove the bone and pick them to my desired size. You can pick them smaller or you can pick them larger, but I don't like them any smaller than this because it's gonna get mushy and hard to identify. So if you want to go smaller than this, you can go smaller than this. Ensure to take off the scales and take out the bones, you know. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the saltfish at this point. Tastes so good. I went ahead and washed my rice, and this is just some regular long grain rice. You always want to ensure you wash your rice before cooking. If you don't, that's okay. I'm not gonna judge, but please ensure you wash your rice before cooking. And this is about 3 pounds of rice. I'm gonna use 3 pounds of rice. So I'm just gonna add my rice into the pot. Beautiful. Look at this color. Oh my god. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the ackee on top. I'm gonna add some butter, about 1 tablespoon of butter, I forgot to mention, and just leave that to melt. And I'm just gonna bring this to a boil, and when it reach boiling point, like reduce some of the water, I'm just gonna turn it down and let it steam. Okay, now the rice is finished steaming, guys, and this is the finished product. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff it up. Smelling so nice with the coconut juice. Look at this. Oh my god, smell amazing, and I know it's gonna taste even better. Look at this. Oh my god, the rice is so nice, the color is beautiful. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this thyme stem. Oh my god, look at this, man. And take out the pepper. So moist, smelling so delicious. You can smell that scotch bonnet pepper, even though it's not burst, but you know the flavor of a scotch bonnet. And everything is just smelling so nice, guys. The rice is so moist, smelling so beautiful. Oh lord, tastes so good, guys. If you already reached this point of the video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. Guys, look at my seasonal rice. Please go ahead and make yourself some. Look at this beautiful color, beautiful, and it's hot and ready to be served. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. It's so delicious. Wow.